YJC 10 kilowatt hours home energy storage. Safe, durable, powerful. Built with lithium cells for excellent thermal stability and safety. Far safer than other chemistries. Enjoy ultra-long lifespan with up to 6,000 cycles, backed by a 10-year warranty, saving you money in the long run. With 10.24 kilowatt-hours of capacity and up to 200 amps peak discharge, it easily powers high-demand appliances and equipment. With wide temperature tolerance from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, it delivers stable performance in all climates. It supports SAN and RS485 communication and works seamlessly with leading inverter brands like Dye, Growit, Victron, Goodwe, and Solis. Modular design allows parallel connection for higher capacity. Easy to install, maintain, and even move, thanks to built-in wheels. With IP65 protection, it's dust-proof, waterproof, and ready for a variety of environments. No grid access? High-peak Cali electricity costs? This system is your ideal solution.